Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to cut this beautiful handkerchief skirt from scratch to finish with elastic waistband. So first, you're going to measure your fabric. I'll be needing 2 yards of fabric for this particular one because it's a one step. It doesn't have the second step. It's a one step handkerchief skirt. So after getting the yardage, we're going to fold the fabric into 2. Note that you're folding the fabric from the length part of it, not with the width. So after that, you're still going to fold it again into 2. That's the normal flay showing. So to get the radius, you're going to divide the waist by 4, which is what I did. My waist is 32 inches, by the way. Divided by 4, what I got was 8. So I'm just going to mark it like that around, and then connect the lines. The length of my skirt is supposed to be 26 inches, and I deducted 2 inches for the band, so I took 24 inches. So I'll just go ahead and mark 24 on that other part. We'll measure from the start point to the other edge of the fabric to get the actual length, which is 30 inches. We're just making sure it's the same 30 inches all round, because the length of this fabric is not that much. That's why we just cut it straight. So you're just going to cut it out, and this is how it will be after cutting. You can choose to use whichever side that you want to use for the skirt. You can choose to wear it however you want to rock it. So we're going to take the cut out skirts to the table and take the circumference of the waist. I have 26 inches there. So we're just going to arrange our fabric and then cut the band. I'm going to add 1 inch seam allowance to the band, so that will give us 27 inches. And then for the width of the band, I'm going in by 5 inches. So I'm just going to take 5 inches. I'll mark down and trim out. So that is all we need for the skirt cutting. Check the link for the sewing tutorial. Bye. See you in my next video.